Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger group call failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger group call failed, you should just to go here, settings, we will click. After that, in this page, you will go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go to find the application of Messenger and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click first stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will see this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.